Ugh. This is not good racing weather. Today we're taking a look at this Realacc bag. Realacc, usually when Realacc shows up on this channel, it's usually for frames. Now this bag, however, is designed to replace two other bags that you may already be taking to races. So inside here, it is designed to hold a Taranis X-Lite along with your Fat Shark goggles. In here it comes with a shoulder strap and another strap that goes on the outside of the bag to help hold your quads in place. This is the X-Lite bag that comes with the X-Lite. When you open this up, here's the X-Lite transmitter, which fits right down inside there. Then you may also be taking your Fat Shark goggles with you to the races, and these are designed to fit, or this compartment's designed to hold your Fat Shark goggles right in there. Now also it has these two extra spots up here, which are for 18500 batteries. So here's a pair of 18500 batteries, and they just slide right down into those holes, and that way you have an extra set with you. And it's not too hard, hopefully it's not too hard to remember to take these out and charge them. That way when the ones in here do die, you can pull these out and swap them. Now this extra slot here is for like batteries, your Fat Shark batteries. In my case, I'm using a voltage reducer for my goggles. It takes anything from like a 5S on down to a 3S. Lowers the voltage down to 9 volts and outputs them to the goggles. So in this case, I'd probably take something like this 4S battery here. This tattoo battery doesn't have much life left in it, but it can fit in here and take that with me. That way I have a battery for my goggles. If you have the regular headband goggles, they'll fit in there just fine too. Then this thing fits up over top of this, and hopefully this thing closes up. Oh yeah, closes up just fine. And the big advantage of having one case is that you have one instead of a Fat Shark goggle case and an Taranis X-Lite case. So instead of taking two things with me, I'll be able to take just the one. Now the handle on this is pretty nice. It feels like this whole thing is rubber, so it should hold up okay, I guess. It's kind of thin there, but I think it's going to hold up fine. The handles here on the side, they have metal pieces that the strap hangs onto, so that'll be good for taking it with you. And then also here on the side, this is where you put your quad in here and wrap this around one of the arms or the body, and you can hold the quad on there. I went ahead and put the other straps on here to see what it looks like, and this grabs on here just fine. These are all metal, so they're not going to break or anything. The strap is pretty heavy duty. Good luck breaking it. This other strap here is in case you are running you want to put a little extra protection on your quad to help hold it in place in addition to this, or if you wanted to, you could actually run it around the other side of the bag over here and put a second quad, and then one of them is going to be bouncing off your body when you're carrying this. Anyway, this is the Realacc bag. I'm kind of excited about this. It's probably one of the first bags that I bought that I'm actually going to use. Usually I end up just using the Fat Shark case and carrying around my old Taranis, not in a case. This one I've always carried in a case since I've had it. So I'm kind of anxious to have this. Like I said, just one bag instead of two. Anyway, if you have any questions about this, leave them down in the comments. I'll try to help you out as best I can. And as always, thanks for watching.